Hey, this is Ryan at Take a Break Spas and Billiards, and I'm here to show you another way to take a break. We are privileged by our partnerships with our billiard brands to bring you the most amazing holiday deals this year. We have our low price guarantee on all of our pool tables, and we will not be beat. You have 5 brands to choose from, so you're sure to be able to find a style and price point that suits your liking. Allow me to show off some of our specials. Nothing says take a break like gathering around the dinner table with your family and then pulling the top off and playing a game of pool together. You can do that with our Blake Billiards set here. That includes the table, a dining top conversion, benches, 2 of them that are storage, so you can store the player kit that is included with sticks and balls and racks. It also comes with cloth, install, and delivery, making it the ultimate kit to get started to have an amazing family time. And we are happy to present some of these tables from our friends over at Imperial that are providing a few tables that are super discounted. For example, this Carnegie table, which normally goes for about $8,000 or $9,000 online, we're selling for $45.99. And that includes everything from balls and sticks and that player kit, cloth, install, and delivery. Because why the heck would you not want to get a deal that includes everything so you can just start playing right away? It makes no sense to nickel and dime you for every little thing. So come here to Take a Break Spas and Billiards, where you can choose a variety of different styles, from modern to traditional to rustic, and you can find your perfect table and your perfect price point, especially because we have several last year's models that we're clearancing out from all of our brands, from Brunswick, Olhausen, American Heritage, Imperial, and Presidential. So come and find your perfect table here at Take a Break Spas and Billiards.